Hi, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to open up a custodial account on Charles Schwab. Before we get started, please keep in mind that this video is only for educational and informational purpose only. I would highly recommend you to talk to a professional before you decide to open one up. Now let's get started into it. Now the first thing you'll do is look up Charles Schwab custodial account on a web-based browser. And once you're there, you just simply have to click on the Open a Charles Schwab custodial account. The next thing you'll see is all the frequently asked questions regarding to opening up a custodial account. So the first thing you have to enter in is your name, your date of birth, whether or not you reside in the US, as well as a phone number or an email so that Charles Schwab can send a code for verification purposes. Next, you'll be asked to create a username and password, as well as select a security question for security purposes. After that, you have to enter in your home address, as well as your country of citizenship. Now the next step will ask you to add in a trusted contact, but this is totally optional. Next, Charles Schwab will ask you how you will fund the account, as well as what you will use the account for. Next, Charles Schwab will ask about your employment status. You have a variety of options here, which includes employed, unemployed, retired, or studying. Next, Charles Schwab will ask you whether or not you are a board member or you hold 10% stake of a company. This usually doesn't apply to most people. The next step will be entering in the information about the miner. Once again, you'll be asked to add in a trusted contact, but again, this is totally optional. After that, you'll have to select a governing state, as well as when the miner can finally take control of the account. You have two options, between 18 years old or 21 years old. After that, you have to enter in the employment status of the miner. Next, Charles Schwab will ask if the miner is a board member or holds 10% of a company. Again, this rarely applies to most people. So the next step will be deciding on whether or not you want physical copies or electronic copies of important documents. This is totally up to personal preferences. Next, you'll be asked if you want to enable option trading, as well as Charles Schwab's Thinkorswim trading platform. Now this is totally up to your personal preference as well. Lastly, you'll need to read the terms of agreement of Charles Schwab. I highly recommend you to spend time reading this because this is by far the most important step. After you've agreed to their terms of service, you should be able to open up a Charles Schwab custodial account.